Jay, you're sneezing blood, Abby. Eh? Yeah. No, try and calm down.
What's going on, my people? Yes, welcome back again to my channel, and yes, still on Jay Boogie's drama. So as you all know, Nigerians donated a lot of millions for him when he solicited for help, and yes, Baba don't come out, call talk, say all of them na lie, so that he wasn't scamming Nigeria. So according to what he posted on his Instagram, so it goes like this. On the 30th October 2023, I had a BBL and liposuction at CGE Aesthetics Curve Care Essentials, yes, from 5 p.m. to 11:40 p.m. So when I became conscious on 31st October 2023, while still in CGE till 11 a.m., my urine for 12 hours was less than 200 ml. So and the surgeon began to panic. A referral was made to Lagoon Hospital on the 31st October 2023, and I arrived Lagoon Hospital at exactly 3:56 p.m. So where doctors at the emergency unit came for their investigation and recommended medication to subdue pains, while AUCRO and scanning and all of the other stuff were going on. So on the 1st of November 2023 at 3:42 a.m. Lagoon Hospital returned me in an ambulance.
I've come to a conclusion. Between this year and last year, everybody don't craze, including me. Everybody don't mad. Myself, I didn't.
To CGE. But come to think of it, are all of this necessary? For why not just leave your body the way God created you? But no, the transgender thing is becoming so popular, and all that, people going numb, and I don't know what to call this, but for me all these are not necessary. So let's ride on. So we arrived Zenith Medical Kidney Center in Yaba at 6:23 a.m. and I was diagnosed with sepsis. Hey! What an acute kidney injury, and we started dialysis, which I did daily at the time, and I still couldn't pass urine, and also did a plasma exchange to enable me pass urine, but that did not work. Problem. So I never posted I needed kidney transplant, and I only posted I needed donations for my hospital bills. Getting interesting, but come to think of it, some two people and a doctor came out so dragging Boogie that they were lying due to some certain things, but some things were truth. So I don't understand why all this now. So due to the medical pressure, Zen Hospital management discharged me at 9 a.m. with a creatinine as high as 807 on the 18th of November 2023, and asked I do my dialysis from home. All efforts to check in the Luth and Lasut was void due to the lack of bed space in the critical care unit. So I went to St. Nicholas Hospital, Campbell Street, Lagos, where I had to continue my dialysis. I had to go offline for my mental health because the bullying was too much, and I was getting death threat. I ceased communications because my family decided we needed privacy. I never scammed Nigerians, I never lied, and I did not defraud anyone. I had sepsis and acute kidney injury, and I was on dialysis. It took this long for me to respond because my health was my priority, and I had to take care of myself. I was discharged on the 28th of November 2023. I am getting better, and I feel better, and I am on medication and also off dialysis for now, and my head is rejuvenating. I want to thank everyone that donated and reached out to me during my ordeal, and I want to assure them I never lied or scammed Nigerians about my situation. So the question here is, so why was she and her team having problems with transparency when, yes, if you listen to the last video we posted about Boogie, about the scam, so two people came out and yes, they have, I think the problem with transparency came when the LGBT people abroad wanted to render help, but due to lack of transparency, they withdraw. So all these talks came from Tosin back then when they all blew the story and all of that. So my question here is, why are they having problems? So as the story is so far, we don't know who to believe, Jay Boogie, the team and all that, but clearly something is fishy. But to me, in conclusion, all of these surgeries and whatsoever just for fame and money and recognition, God have it, I don't know, but all of this I think is really not necessary. Just look at the pain he's going through, all because he wants to fix boots and bobs and all of that. But truth be told, all of this is really not necessary for me. So guys, that's it for Jay Boogie. I hope he recovers and get back himself, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section, and yes, don't forget to let us know what you think about this. Until next time, see you in our next video.